Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to set up an item in GrooveSell to sell so we can sell thousands of items and not have to worry about working anymore. So first what we're going to do is go into GrooveSell and funnels, and we'll make a new product funnel. I don't have any right now. So we're just going to sell a book. Name, first book, book funnel. Create a product, and then we want to go edit our funnel called first book, and we're just going to have a front end product, one product, and that's it. Save and next. Book, let's call it a book. We're going to charge $5, so we're going to have to sell a lot of books in order to not have to work anymore. Save and next. And payment gateway, I believe I have Stripe set up here. Save and next. Our sales page. So our sales page will be our URL for our website here. So we'll take that, copy and that, put that into here. Our thank you page is thank you, our same URL, just thank you at the end. There's our thank you page, just simple thank you page. Back here, put that into thank you. Refund, no refunds, please. Save and next. GrooveSell hosted checkout. That's our only option, so GrooveSell will host our checkouts. How's it gonna look? So let's say blue. We want an image of our book. There's a book. We'll select that book. There's our book picture. Our fields, we'll pick first name, last name. These are just the fields that will show up when you're checking out. We don't need a company. We don't care where they work. Express checkout. Use the full checkout experience. Yes, activate straight through payments. Use one-click upsells. We'll use the full checkout experience. Cart abandons, we'll skip that. The rest we'll use the default items, as we don't have any other choice, I believe, at the moment. And save and next. Order bumps don't activate. Save and next. Our thank you page is there. Enable advanced tracking code. We'll leave that off for now. Fulfillment. There's no digital product. Soon there'll be a downloadable file or integrated membership too. So right now we'll have to mail them the book. No affiliate. Save and next. All right, that's it. Okay, here, paste this in the body section of the product sales page. Okay, we'll take this guy here, go back to our page here and go into site settings and go into the body and paste that code there and hit the check mark to save it. That's saved. Okay, next we go save and exit. All right, so now we need to activate it so we get our little cart so we know where we have our sales page. So from here, I believe we go to back to funnels, and there's our book. Here we go. So we go actions and make live. Okay, you cannot change your subdomain once after the product goes live for the first time. Please enter. Okay, the one we used was smooth, I believe, because we don't have our own domain. Once we have our own domain, you don't have to worry about this. So now when we go into our funnel book, no, not there. We want to go manage products, because we can have multiple products in the one funnel. So we go to our little cart here, and we want single price, single checkout, one step. Okay, now we have two options. We can have this option here where it goes a separate page where we get our checkout, or we can, where'd it go? We can embed the code right onto the page. So let's try embedding the code right on the page first. So copy that, go to our page, we need, say, a block. Say we need an empty block. We'll stick that here in the middle. Where'd it go? It's gone. didn't disappear. Oh, it's at the bottom. Okay. The bottom's good. And we go down to code. We want code. Code, embedded code. Put that there. Edit that. Paste our code there. Just copy, paste, hit save. Save our page. Saving. Now I wonder if we view it, if it'll work. Let's just view the page and go to the bottom, and there's our checkout. First book, $5. Name, phone number, billing information, and the next it would ask for it. Let's fill that out. So we'll fill that out. I'll have to blur out my address there. First book. Where's checkout? All right, my checkout is missing. Let's see. I bet you I forgot something. So let's go back here. Yes, credit card. Add card gateway. I believe that means 100% of payments will go through this account. Okay, save. Now what happens if we just go back to this page and refresh it? No, we can't. That's not a published page. So come back here and refresh the eyeball here. Go back down, connecting to secure payment server. There we go. And now there's a credit card section there. Okay. All right, cool. So that works. And then if we wanted to just say make a button to go to another page, we would say add a element, solid button. Let's put the button right here. We want the button. We want to configure the button. We want to say buy the book here. We're going to say go to a URL. The URL is back to funnels. Action, it's manage products. That's right, manage products. That's right, it hits the cart. Hit the cart to get the URL. One step, say next. There's a URL. Go back here, put that into the URL, open a new tab, say update. Let's make this button a little prettier. Background, make it a nice red button. And make it a little bit bigger. Pixels, make it a little bigger. Buy the book here. Percentage. Spacing. That's for that. Don't like that. Okay, spacing, layout. Borders. This makes it rounded edges. Okay. Alright, we'll save that and publish it. So now when we look at, we don't need to publish to look at the eyeball. Now we have our buy the book here, click on that, and it goes nowhere. I think we need to publish to go to buttons like that. So we'll publish it, go to our link. Now we have our button here, buy the book here, and there's our page came up. All right, and there we go. Now we can sell thousands of $5 books. Still not great. Higher price items will probably be better. And that's it. That's how you can sell a product, just like that. And soon you'll be able to email them a digital copy of your book once that feature is set up here in GrooveSell and GroovePages. Now, if you want to try GrooveSell, if you haven't tried it yet, you can click my link in the description below. So there's a lifetime link where you can actually buy the product for $13.98, one-time payment, and you never have to pay again. That's a lifetime. Or you can just try it for free if you want to start. So you click on the free button, and all they ask you for is your name, email, and username. That's it. Nothing else. And it's free access, no credit card needed ever. And they'll never ask you to pay. If you don't want to buy it, you can keep this for free forever, which is amazing because you can do everything I just did for free. That's a pretty darn good deal. But that's my video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.